In our world, from the chaotic dance of infinite data to the organized hum of a digital brain, a fundamental human impulse persists: the drive to classify. It's a quest for order, an attempt to make sense of the overwhelming complexity that surrounds us. This journey didn't begin with silicon chips or lines of code. It started with a simple, yet profound, act of observation, shaping our understanding of everything from the smallest atom to the vastness of the cosmos. This is the story of classification, the silent architecture of knowledge that has evolved from ancient philosophy to the very heart of modern artificial intelligence. Our story begins not in a lab, but under the warm sun of ancient Greece, amidst the timeless elegance of marble columns. Here, we find the philosopher Aristotle, a pioneer of systematic thought. With a keen eye and an insatiable curiosity, he observed the world around him, meticulously sketching the flora and fauna. He wasn't just cataloging, he was searching for patterns, for shared traits and fundamental differences. By grouping living things based on their characteristics, like whether they had blood or laid eggs, Aristotle laid the groundwork for biological taxonomy. He was creating the first great filing system for nature, an intellectual framework that would guide scientific inquiry for nearly 2 millennia, proving that the first step toward understanding is to organize. Centuries later, this foundational pursuit of order blossomed into a more rigorous scientific endeavor. In the 18th century, the Swedish botanist Carl Linnaeus took Aristotle's torch and illuminated the natural world with unprecedented clarity. On screen, we see the tree of life itself grow and branch out, a living illustration of his revolutionary binomial nomenclature. By giving each species a 2-part Latin name, Linnaeus created a universal language for biology, a system so elegant and effective that it remains in use today. A century after that, another milestone emerged from the world of chemistry. The Russian chemist Dmitry Mendeleev, wrestling with the properties of the elements, arranged them into his periodic table. This was more than just a chart, it was a predictive tool. The empty spaces he left were not gaps in his knowledge but bold prophecies, placeholders for elements yet to be discovered, a testament to the power of classification to not only describe the present, but also predict the future. With the dawn of the digital age, the principles of classification leaped from the natural world into the virtual realm, accelerating at an unimaginable pace. This transition is something we experience every day. Consider the humble email inbox, a battleground where countless spam messages are automatically identified and filtered out. A constant, silent act of digital sorting that saves us from a deluge of digital noise. This same intelligence now powers far more complex tasks. A rapid-fire sequence of images flashes by. A cat, a car, a flower, a face, each one instantly and accurately labeled by an AI. This is machine learning in action, where algorithms trained on vast datasets learn to see and categorize the world with superhuman speed and precision, turning abstract data into meaningful, actionable information. From Aristotle's early sketches to the self-organizing intelligence of a neural network, the journey of classification is a reflection of our own evolving intellect. It is a continuous effort to impose structure on chaos, to find the signal within the noise. As we look at a final, breathtaking montage, from the ancient philosopher to the digital brain, culminating in the majestic, organized beauty of a spiral galaxy, we are reminded that this quest is far from over. Classification is more than just a scientific method. It is a fundamental pillar of knowledge, a timeless human endeavor that continues to unlock the secrets of our universe, one category at a time. The tools have changed, but the goal remains the same: to understand our world by putting it in order.